First, they gotta cook it. Then, they gotta plate it. And then students get to serve it. And finally, we get to eat it. Friday Luncheons, the first of 12, courtesy of the Iowa Western Culinary Arts Department.
We tried not to advertise until Tuesday to kind of ease the students into it. Didn't happen, so we sold out. We had 70 seats and 25 to-go orders. A lot of work. They got to see what goes into actually running a smoke shop when they're here at 10 o'clock last night, throwing the briskets in and doing all that fun stuff.
It's a great experience. I think they love it. I think it's a lot of fun to get our juices, our creative juices going, literally, and to have an opportunity to serve and to try our hand.
Interacting with customers and stuff, like learning how to.
Is that easy or hard for you?
For me, it's easy. I like socializing.
You ever heard that expression, the customer's always right?
Unfortunately, yeah.
Have you had some unruly customers in your career?
A few times. Nothing couldn't be handled.
How do you handle it?
Well, you smile, and the customer's always right. So you just get them what they need, get them what they want.
We apologize. Pulled pork with coleslaw, and drunken apples.
Smoked brisket, pulled pork, smoked chicken, ribs, and the salmon.
My son went to school here in '04, and he called me, and he lives in Vegas now. He's a chef out there, and he said, "You ought to go, Mom."
This is barbecue, so it's going to be him, for sure. Oh yeah, he loves barbecue. It's his favorite food.
The community is aware they're out there.
They're out there. They're out there in full force. I mean, quite a bit. I saw the mayor was on the reservation list and quite a few other folks, so that's good. I mean, it's great for the community support.
The community is out in full force and hungry. Yep, they get to cook it, plate it, and then the Culinary Arts Department serves it. And we, the lucky ones, get to eat it. Friday Luncheons in Reiver Country. It tastes so good.